Hello, welcome to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel. If this is your first time of visiting this channel, try your best to subscribe and turn on the bell notifications so that you notify each time I upload a new content. Refer this channel to your network so that you add value to their life by giving them financial freedom. You know, I don't usually talk anyhow. I will actually look at what I will do to help people become financially free. What are you seeing here? This is for real, an investor that invested with me. This is a profit. You see, this is a real time profit over $151,000 plus, and you can see some trader running. Now, when you come here, you know, you see this picture. You see this picture. This is Dubai. Many of you want to go to Dubai. You really need to have at least more than $500,000. Why not enroll for my VIP and change your life? You see, this is $2 million. This is $2 million from another investor. Change your life today by either buying my VIP signals or investing. We accept a minimum of $10,000 for investment. You have to change your life. You have to change your life. You want to be in Dubai, but you don't know how to make money. How can you be in a big country or travel around the world or achieve your dream when you are poor? All you need to do is to buy my VIP signals or invest. Minimum investment is $10,000. Bye for now.